Guys, we are back with Justin SB19 x Chynna mamawal premium merch unboxing. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I was on Twitter. I did not know this was dropping, and then Mr. Justin decided to give me a preview. Oh my god, who is editing this video for you, Justin? Also, I tried to match because I saw he was like wearing something like similar. So yeah, guys, this is actually perfect timing. So if you didn't know, if you don't follow me on Twitter, tomorrow we're going to be on Twitter Space with Yanni. Yay! So if you want to join, here is our details. We're gonna be at 9 p.m. Philippines time, and we are going to talk to Yanni. So I'm excited, and yeah, let's do this. Don't forget to drop your votes for Justin on Starmo on Twitter. So yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Also, I can't wait to receive my premium merch. Mine hasn't even shipped yet, and Justin already has his. I'm so excited. This is gonna be hard to get through because he looks so freaking damn fine. Oh my god. Mr. Justin, Mr. Justin. Oh yes. Yes, we're gonna have to zoom. Look at this stare he's giving us. He looks so beautiful with his hair. Oh my god. Damn. Also, this premium merch, I really wanted the Josh one, but priorities, because international shipping is expensive. So I had to get my priorities straight, and I said I'm choosing Justin. Oh my god. Did he get a signed photo? Did he get a signed photo by Josh? Look, we're matching. Okay, let me try to match. Wait. Mm-hmm.
It's me, Justin.
It's not you, it's me. He didn't give me subtitles. Justin, why you don't give me subtitles?
Box.
He's got contacts on, right?
At ngayon po ay mag-unbox tayo.
Also, it's okay if there's no subtitles because I will be rewatching this vlog probably 12 times. So, for just research purposes. Oh my gosh, she's got a little necklace. I'm gonna get my necklace too. Bum bum bum. Okay, now we're matching.
Box.
Oh my god, he looks so good with the contacts.
Nagpadala si Miss Chynna Mama.
He looks so freaking good here. Oh my god, I can't. I've never seen him with a tank top like this.
Chynna Mamawal merchandise na related sa single namin na what?
Single namin na what? Let's get started. Let's get this party started in here. That's a big box. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do the same as he does for the unboxing. Look, we've even matching plants. Like we're meant to be. Justin, come collect me. Justin struggling for 30 minutes straight. You need a tripod, mister. Or you need to ask Yanni to film it for you. Papel?
With a question mark. Oh. Merch instead.
Wow. It looks so good. It looks like I didn't realize the material. I feel like this one is more of a material like a raincoat.
Yay, set 8 still. Yo.
Oh, wow, that looks good. Hi, I'm Jah from Las Vegas Models. Who edited this? Did Justin edit this?
Actually, isa rin to sa parang gusto kong subukan. Wala lang, kakaiba, semi-crop, pati yung sleeves niya parang alanganin din yung style. Ang ganda rin ng design na, what? Ang ganda niya tignan mo. Yung may ilaw. May shine yung green niya.
Shiny?
Kasi pag tinignan mo siya in person, parang close to black siya. Pero
I think it's dark blue.
Kikinan siya. maganda rin dito, katulad ngayon sa
Does it fit him like it fits still in the choreographer version? That's what I want to know. Is he gonna try the entire set on?
Actually, pare-pares kami ng tela, so nakita ko na to, ina-explain ko lang. Bakit bawal? Ito yung trademark yung sinasabi ni Miss Chynna na lahat ng outfit namin may
He said all of our outfits have the what.
Watawat. Ito yung biten pants. So, ang tawag sa outfit is still ay sb19. sb19?
He's so funny!
Yes, para tayo nagbubukas na mystery box kasi hindi natin alam kung ano talaga yung laman. This time naman dito ko kukunan ka.
Can you try on the one that I got?
Nagpaalam na ako sa inyo. So guys, ito naman yung second
Is he gonna try
box.
all of them on? Wow!
Ito yung
Beautiful!
black na paper. Japanese paper.
Oh my god, I
And
really
merch
want
ni
Josh's
Josh.
set, but it's too expensive.
Yun naman, merch ni Josh. Itong isa. Miss Chynna, yung gusto ko yung kay Paolo. Bakit?
Bakit? He said, please. Oh my god, he's so adorable.
May isa pa tayong box. Oo nga naman.
Did he say, can you put all of it in one box?
Nakikita ko talaga dito, racer. Parang racer. Since
Racer jacket?
Athleisure ba yung
Fleece-
tawag na tamang
leisure?
pronunciation? Athleisure. Parang athlete na hindi. Hindi. Athlete yun.
This is really the set I wanted.
Athleisure. Anyway, ito yung kay Josh. Ang naalala ko sa design na to, yan, halos same lang yung tela niya.
I did not expect it to be that thin. It looks super extra thin. I thought it was like actually.
Mainit kasi manipis
It looks super thin.
naman. I mean, hindi siya makapal para uminit. Pero marami siyang layer mararamdaman mo sa loob pag ginigil mo. Ito, dalawa na agad to.
Yeah, he said you have to wear layers because this is very thin.
Yung design nito, nakalabas yung buttons. Kung makikita niyo,
Buttons!
nakalabas yan yung design. Wala pa nito. Tapos sinuggest ni Josh personally na lagyan ng takip. Hindi ko alam bakit.
Di ko alam bakit. I don't know, baby. Why are you so pretty? Diba?
Bakit daw siya papakailangan gusto niya? Joke lang. Ayun.
Joke lang.
May trademark. Tapos yung what, patawat.
What?
Gusto ko na naman. May tag siya sa loob, guys, ng damit. Tapos, nandito nakalagay QR code para malaman kung original yung
I think it should say also like the number.
China. And then, ayan, may mga letters, may tag dito. Thank you, Premium Limited Collection is crafted with an obsessive attention to details. Obsessive attention to
Obsession eh. So pretty.
Pag sa personal, mas dark pa siya tignan compare sa nakikita niyo sa camera. Actually, color graded tong video na to. So,
Oh,
huwag niyo
why you?
paniwalaan yung pinagsasabi.
Wow! Oh my god, the color grading is green tone. Wow!
Sabi ko about all.
He looks good without color grading. Look at him. Beautiful.
Kasi kung namin nakita niyo sa screen, color graded siya. Washing! May bulsa. Tapos yung pants ni Josh. Di ba may pants siya? Kung mapapansin nyo sa photos namin, pants niya, hindi ko alam yung term, basta pabukas, rushing! Kasi
Fujin. They came up with like one that's not flare. I would have won one. I mean, I like the flare, but I feel like where do you wear that to? Like to the disco?
Josh yun, gusto niya maging stylish eh. And marami daw nag-request, sabi ni Miss Chynna na baka hindi siya ganun kadaling dalhin, alam mo yun, pang araw-araw or suotin talaga sa
Araw.
bus unless you're very confident. Gumawa si Miss
I am
Chynna
very
ng
confident.
straight cut na ganito and you can choose yung options daw kung
Yes, flare or straight.
cut or gusto mo yung bell bottom. So, ayun.
Button.
Last box.
Excuse me?
Sana may pouch
Are you gonna do a fashion runway after or?
to, di ba? Blue.
He's not gonna unbox the one that I got.
Deal or no deal?
Is it Pablo's one?
Pera o bayong? Question mark. Everything may get so.
Oh, it's the other one. That's not the one I got.
Lahat to may mga kasama pag bumili kayo. Pag more
I want a photo of him with the green
Anyway,
one.
ang design, ang damit pala ay yung akin din. So, dalawa na yung kopya ko ng...
Justin, please upload a photo of you with the green one, because I want a photo of you with the green one so I can have a photo of me with the green one and us together.
ng merch. Ito yung pipirmahan namin, guys. Dear Justin,
I wonder what Justin is gonna have on his signed photo card. I hope he's gonna give me like a doodle or like a love you or a joke. Please write a long poem.
Dios, personalized. Check out this new premium collection. Pieces co-created by fashion designer chynna mamawal and P-pop royalty sb19.
P-pop
Based
royalty?
on their style and recent single, What?
What?
We want to
What?
see you try and style it on your next OOTD.
Ooh, OOTD.
Founder, wear, cast. Diba, founder, siya yung kasama ni Little Mermaid.
Little Mermaid?
Any photo cards? Ano kaya? Model yan.
Beautiful!
Green.
Also, I'm kind of disappointed because I thought we were getting like small photo card because I wanted to put one on my phone. But that is not gonna fit on my phone. Unless I get an iPad.
Ito po ako itsura sa bahay. Sorry na.
Jokes back.
Mukha akong walang ligo. Hindi lang mukha. Tunay na walang ligo.
I really want to braid his hair.
Basta sa bahay lang naman tayo. Sino bang aamoy sa inyo sa bahay? Bakit?
Bakit?
Amoy kama ka lang naman ah. Next! Ito naman yung next. Diba?
He looks so freaking good with his hair. I can, guys. Like, wow. I am like in love.
This nandito para ma-appreciate niyo.
Especially this outfit. Like, I really like it on him.
Group. Ka-flash ko na.
Is that how he signed it? Kaya no yan? What is Kaya no yan? Is that what I'm gonna get? There's no doodle. I want the signed one, not on this one. I want the signed one on the other one.
Screen, whoosh, 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 whoosh. And kay Miss Chynna din, oh. Ayan.
This one. This is where. Please sign this one for me. Just to.
Oh, pati yung sa girls na other premium items for girls. See? It's very nice. Kung anong version yung binili nyo, kurari, ito nga, bumili kayo ng set A ko, Justin set A premium merch. Ito yung pipirma namin. It's either of the two. Pero for me, I prefer to kasi may space eh.
Aww. I wanted the one where it's like this because I want to frame it, but he's gonna sign the one, like the long one. Justin!
Lagyan ko ng message. Go, go, go. Todo na to. Pera o ba yung message? Pwede natin ilagay. Pirma. So, ito yung pipirmahan natin.
Better give me a beautiful message and a doodle, Justin, and a joke.
Josh, ang may pirma ay ito. Yung set na yun. So, gets, kung ano yung binili nyong set, yun yung makuha nyong photo card or postcard na may signature, wet signature. Tama ba? Wet yung, wet yun yung,
Wet! Is it wet?
English ng hintay. Ayan! Ah, iba. Oo! Iba nga! Compare niyo sa photo ko, yung picture doon sa postcard. Iba yung tela niya, tsaka iba rin yung color. Yung isa dirty white, ito naman white.
Dirty
Tapos,
white?
mas presko to. Yung isa shiny, ito matte yung color, yung texture niya. And katulad ko, same. Same na same actually. Parehas na parehas lang. Pinagkaiba lang itong tela. Nakausap ko si Miss Chynna, sabi niya nagkakaroon, syempre ngayong pandemic, mahirap talaga yung production or paghahanap ng fabrics. Kaya merong mga slight differences yung sa shade, tsaka yung sa tela nga katulad nito, iba yung nasa photo.
Ooh.
Nasabi ko na rin naman sa interview, may papalagay ako ng kwelyo para magmukha akong mabait kahit sa screen lang kasi hindi naman mabait din sa akin ng mga tao. Masama.
Is this Josh playing the piano? dum, 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 dum. Joke lang.
Nababaliw na ako mga
Yes, you're beautiful, Justin.
tropa dyan. Bilangin kung ilang ang sinabi ko sa video na ito.
Fashion runway!
Ito mas white siya. Mas madaling bagayan sa white na damit talaga. Yung isa dirty white, pwede mo siyang ibagay sa mga cream colors. That's my opinion lang naman. Hindi ako pro sa pagdating sa style or design. Mahilig kasi ako sa clean. So, pinagmamatch ko talaga yung colors na magkalapit kasi sa magka-opposite. May sense ko sinasabi ko. Siyempre, prepare muna natin yung photo card. Sa akin lang naman ito eh.
Oh my gosh, is this the one I'm getting?
Sulat tayo ng message para sa sarili ko.
Imagine that's the one I'm
Kaya mo
getting.
yan.
So what does that mean?
Kaya naman gawin natin.
Oh my gosh, forehead. Forehead.
Ay, magpakit sa camera. Guys, also I just want to say na baka magkaroon tayo ng delay. Siyempre, nasa
Oh, yeah,
pandemic
delay.
tayo, hindi
We haven't even shipped mine. Like, I've seen so many unboxing, but mine is even like longer because mine is international. I think that they should have shipped the international first. Because they shipped the Manila one first, so it's not fair. Especially, I think they should have shipped the international first because of the price we pay. Like, we literally paid 4 times the price that the people in Manila did. So I think ours should be shipped first. I mean, we paid more, so...
yung mga proseso para magpadala ng mga premium merch na
Also, I've seen on Twitter, oh my gosh, like there's so many mistakes, there's so many like people receiving the wrong merch, the wrong size without the logo, like the box being like, so I was so scared. Like I DM'd them and I was like, how could you let this happen? And they're like, oh, now we're double checking. I'm like, the amount we pay, we should get, like it says it's advertised as premium, like quality. So I mean, imagine like this girl has a freaking fan account for Justin, followed by Yanni. She received a Ken merch. She's like, I didn't order a Ken merch, and like she has a freaking Justin fan account. So I was just like, I was so mad when I saw that. I was like, this is not acceptable. Like, not acceptable. Especially because they didn't keep track of things. Like, literally, I have no receipt. Like, they literally just wrote it down on Facebook. That's it. Like, there's no receipt. So that's why they're like, they're lost. And I think for me, it was unorganized, like completely unorganized, completely unprofessional. But we're not gonna say anything. Still happy I'm gonna get my merch. But if I receive the wrong size, wrong merch, something wrong, I'm like, oh my god, like you guys better not be making a mistake for me, because I'm gonna be mad.
So sana po bigyan niyo
I
ng
paid
time
so
to shine and
much.
prepare and be ready for it. And you can go po to www.wearcasa para po mamili.
Actually, I'm glad I didn't order two, because I'm like, they would have done a mistake for sure.
Facebook page at Wearcasa, meron din sa Instagram and Twitter, Wearcasa. Where?
Casa.
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
I mean, technically it's their job, like, to do it well, so.
Kasi nung nilabas tong premium merch, 1 week ba? 93% agad ay sold out. So maraming salamat 18 for your support. Marami po tayong tulungan for this kasi percentage nung kikitain ay
Yes,
po
that's
paggawa
cool.
ng PPE para po sa mga frontliners. Guys, may naman subukan kong suotin lahat.
Excuse me, Justin, hello. Oh my gosh, I love him so freaking much.
Pinadala. Let's go!
Let's go. He's giving us the cake. Oh my god, that fits him so well. Are you freaking kidding me? My internet literally lagged as he was opening his shirt. My internet, wait, Is that the editing? That's the freaking editing. Justin! Why you do this to us? It's a prank? It's a prank.
Yes, thank you so much. That's it.
Oh my god.
So much, Miss China, para po sa mga pinadala niyong merch at sa lahat po ng naka-work namin with this project of sb19 x China mamawal what merchandise. Maraming salamat po. And of course, sa 18 na walang samang sumusuporta sa amin.
Oh my gosh, this angle.
Maraming salamat po. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Bye-bye.
Oh my gosh, look at all the boxes. Oh my god, this was so good. This video is 12 minutes and I made it 21 minutes. That's dedication. That's a lot of zooms. And I didn't understand anything. Oh my god, Justin, why are you so beautiful? I love you so much. Guys, hope you enjoyed. Please join us tomorrow on Twitter Space with Yanni. And yeah, Justin, if you're watching, I love you. Bye.